How to use MyTSA app complete beginner tutorial. So first, of course, to have access to it, you're gonna have to download it obviously. Go to your Play Store or App Store and just search for MyTSA. Once installed, just go ahead and open it directly and you will be led to basically the get started screen. So a little summarization on what you could do, and then once you have read that, if you would like, just go ahead and press on get started. You can also allow permission on location. You will need this eventually. So just go ahead and use on while using the app. So just go ahead and press on next as well. And if you want notifications from them, like updates, and you're allowing MyTSA to send push notifications, you can just allow that and you can change that later as well. So just go ahead and press on next, and you're gonna have to read the terms and service as well if you want to. So after reading, you're agreeing to their terms of service, then just go ahead and press on agree. So you will be directly led to your dashboard. As you can see, there's favorite airports, the closest airports, what you can bring, basically the most common stuff that you'll be able to explore and experience in MyTSA. So you can see the questions as well. You can ask them things that you are curious about that's related to the flights. They have a live assistance which is open 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. ET. And other than that, next to the dashboard, there is the My Airports section. So this is basically your favorite airports and then the closest airports. So to get these, you can favorite airports that you have seen, and to allow closest airports, make sure you had the location services open or the permission settings on. So make sure you pressed on the allow option when you are asked the location permission. Next is the can I bring section. So basically, alphabetical order on what things you can bring. So let's say on the A section, are you sold insecticide? So you could carry on bags, then that is a no. Check bag, then yes for special instructions. And basically lots and lots more stuff like yogurt apparently. There's also the Ask TSA button over here. So you can be directly led there if you want. You have their contact information and their social medias. And then finally the more section, which is travel guides, resources, settings, and basically information. But if you want to learn more about the app itself, definitely it could help if you went inside the MyTSA app itself and go ahead and just explore. They should be able to explain to you that the MyTSA app is an official TSA app that helps travelers prepare for airport security in the US, and it doesn't store tickets or passports since its job is to help you get through security faster and avoid mistakes. So that's pretty much the common stuff you need to know about in MyTSA, other than checking what items are allowed or banned, seeing estimated TSA wait times, finding TSA pre-check lanes, getting travel security tips, and lots more. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.